Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to fix the problem with voice messages in WhatsApp. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments under this video, and let's get started. So friends, if you are facing such a problem that you can't play voice messages or you can't send them on WhatsApp app from your Android, then I am going to show you some ways how you can solve such problem. And the first thing that I can recommend you is to reboot your device itself, because sometimes these problems can occur due to the malfunction of the phone itself. So try just rebooting your device, then go to WhatsApp and try to play voice messages. If that didn't help, friends, then swipe from the right side of the screen from top to bottom. Tap the gear to open settings. Swipe down, tap App or App Manager as it is in my case. Next, when you open the entire list of your apps that are installed on your device, tap and in the search box you see the word WhatsApp. Open that app. And here at the bottom I recommend you to click on this here option to force stop the app. When you do that, you need to go to the memory cache, clear cache, and then immediately choose to clear memory as well. And after you clear the memory completely in the app, you can try to go back to WhatsApp and see if your problem is resolved. If not, then I also recommend you to go also here in WhatsApp settings to permissions and check all the permissions you have connected and active in the WhatsApp app. To do this, click on each of them and see, have you given access to a specific one of the items in the WhatsApp app? All of them need to be connected, friends. Once you have done that, once again try listening or sending a voice message. If this method didn't help you either, then I recommend you to update WhatsApp. To do this, open the Play Store on your Android. Go to the search part, type in the word WhatsApp, open it up, and if you have the word update here, then friends, update WhatsApp app. It won't take much time, but this way, all the corrupted files will be deleted and basically many problems can be solved by a regular update of the app. These are the ways you can try to fix the problem with voice messages in WhatsApp on your Android. I really hope this video will help you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to give your likes. Bye everyone.